in this video, let's get scrappy. Let's talk about scrapping, how you can turn trash to treasure and worthless metal into cold, hard cash. So what exactly is scrapping? Well, it's taking scrap metal to a scrap yard and getting paid for that metal by volume or weight. So in certain instances with certain kinds of metals, you'll be paid higher than others. But overall, you can see scrap rates right here for general metal, anything altogether, or you can go by something like aluminum that's worth a little bit more. And you can do that by can and get paid a certain amount. Of course, this varies state by state. In California, it's different than Indiana. Those are the two states I'm the most familiar with right now. Anyway, it just depends on your state and local laws. But regardless, you can make money by taking old metal and old objects with metal in them and taking them to a scrapyard. Now, do you need anything crazy, anything spectacular to be able to do this? Maybe a truck or an SUV. In my case, I'm fortunate enough to have invested in infrastructure. So I have a truck with a trailer on it, which, as you can see here, makes loading up the scrap super easy. It makes hauling the scrap super easy, and I can get such a massive volume of metal and goods to the scrap yard in just one trip because I've invested in infrastructure. Now, this should not stop you, because I know a lot of friends who do this with just their trucks. And I know a lot of other individuals as well who will collect cans or highly valuable metals and take that instead. Successful scrap run, no complaints, empty trailer, and $1.20. Can't complain about that. So as you could see right there, I made 120 bucks after, for me, just a few hours of work. Let's say it was 2 hours total. One for driving and then one for loading up all of the different stuff. 2 hours, I got 120 bucks, so that's 60 bucks an hour, a really good return. Now, I can already hear you typing away on the computer saying, wait, where did you get the metal? How did you get that metal? Well, for me, I only scrap just like spare stuff that I've collected that I've set aside over the course of months, and then I'll take it on like a quarterly or semi-annual basis. This isn't something that I do all the time. I have way too much going on to make scrapping my full-time job. However, it is a very viable income stream that can pay well for minimal work in my instance, or you can find a way to collect scrap, collect old appliances that people don't want anymore, find old metal that people are giving away on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and offer up saying, come haul this junk away. Or better yet, you could put an ad up that says, hey, I do scrap. I'm willing to haul away your metal within a blank mile radius, whatever you're willing to drive to collect scrap, and then go and get that. Yes, your cost will be higher as a result because you have to go and get that metal and then go take it to the scrapyard, or go get the metal, go home, go get more metal, come home, and keep doing that. But still, if you're out of a job for any reason and you're looking for another stream of income, or maybe this is something that you want to do on evenings or weekends just as a way to generate a little bit more income and revenue for yourself, this is a super viable option for generating some extra added income and revenue in times that you may need it. Saving up for the holidays, saving up because you just got laid off, whatever the circumstances. So hopefully you found this video entertaining and informative, and if you've never scrapped before, hopefully that clip of me loading up the metal, taking it to the scrap yard, and then having the machine unload it with the big magnet gave you a little behind the scenes peek at what this whole process looks like. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, what you want to see more of on the channel. make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that down there, as well as the notification bell so that you can see all of the different profitable ventures that I'm up to, scrapping, furniture flipping, and primarily work in the automotive industry. And really quick, before you go, if you're interested in learning how to start your very own business in the auto industry, if you have a passion for cars and trucks, then check out the description. There are a few links down there that you must see if you're interested in making money with a passion for vehicles or starting a business in the auto space. With that in mind, I will see you on the next one. Peace.